All right, guys. We are going to get started with the capstone portion of our course. When we did the Zello program, kind of helped us explore careers, and now we're moving into a second phase. The first thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about is this acronym, GROWTH. So, GROWTH is an acronym. It stands for grit, responsibility, outdoors, because remember, this class is going to focus heavily on the environment, well being, teamwork, and hope. And the first thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about is this idea of growth mindset versus fixed mindset. Um, we probably all know those people who think, well, like I'm just not that good at math, or I'm not good at drawing. I couldn't draw a straight line. And that is a fixed mindset. Having the attitude that you can't improve is a fixed mindset. And a growth mindset means that you're focusing on your level of effort. So this video that's here, I won't be able to play it for you because you won't be able to hear it. It's going to be in your assignment for this week. So you are expected to watch this video, Growth Mindset versus Fixed. It's just a few minutes long. And then your first assignment for this week is you are going to watch this video that has clips from different shows, and then you'll answer in a Google form if they are showing a growth mindset or a fixed mindset. So that's assignment number 1. And then assignment number 2 for this week is you are going to take a mindset quiz for yourself. And, the first video that you watch, it kind of has two different people. One has a fixed mindset, one has a growth mindset. And that's not the way that we really are. A lot of people are both, or you might have a fixed mindset when it comes to certain things and a growth mindset when it comes to other things. So you are going to take this quiz, find out your results, and then you're going to submit a written reflection. So you're going to look at your results and tell me what you think about them. And that will be assignment number 2 for this week. So I hope that gets you started. And as always, if you have questions, you can email me. I will see you guys soon.